Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Telegram. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Telegram and we click here. Then you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. And then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.